Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will gonna show you the Almora market because I'm going to the Almora. This is our nearest market and the main market from our village. And today I'm going Almora because there is a job fair at SSJU University. SSJU campus. I have watched a video yesterday and also saw a template. In that I saw there multiple companies are coming today and will come today also. Will come today, and I think 30 plus companies are coming. So I'm just going to attend the job fair and let's see how many interviews I will give there. If there is any companies what I needed and they need the qualification what I have, so I will give the interview. So let's enjoy the view from where we are going. You can see that. The camera is shaking too much, so I have decided to take it tightly, to grip it tightly. So this is our route. You can see that. So guys, I just reached to the bridge. You can see the river behind me, and if I show you just in my back, you can see the bridge. That's a very old one. It's about 100 years, or I think more than 100 years of built this bridge, and it is still quite good and quite strong. So you can see that is the real beauty. This type of natural beauty you can see in all the villages and the hill areas, the Himalayas. So you can see that the bridge is approx 100 meters long, so it's a big one, and I love the scenery. And you can see the river is. So if I show you this one, this shot is tremendous. So here. So I just crossed the bridge. That is a great experience. If you come to the Petsal, you can come to this bridge also, which is approx 300 meters down to the road, to main road, to the national highway. You can see above, that is the road. So it is all about 300 meters away from the road, and that is a very natural beauty and a great photo shoot place, you can say. And for now I'm just feeling the atmosphere and feeling the wind which is blowing to my face, and that's very satisfying. I'm just going. So just enjoy the view. It is a long road to come from the village to the Petsal. It's about 3 kilometers and a straight, what we can say that, a straight route. I just want to climb on the So we are going with the jeep. We are on the jeep now, and we just missed the bus, but no worries. We will cross the bus in few seconds or few minutes, or just go, speed. Oh, and we crossed the bus. So now we are ahead of bus, and that was good. I just reached at SSJU, and you can see the crowd, see the peoples. They have already here, and the companies are also here. You can see the multiple companies are already raised. For now, approx 44 companies are raised here, and they are taking interviews. And I have also gave the interview in multiple companies, 4 to 5 companies, but they said because I am a computer science student, but here no one company prefer the computer science students, so they prefer the other ones, the electricians and the ITI holders. You can see the candidates, selected candidates are taking their joining letters by the company. Okay, so we are in Almora market. Not market, we can say. So this is the main road, and you can see just before us, I love Almora. Let us go there and just show you what it is. And this is what the name Pawa that house? The momo are famous from.
कभी आओगे तो खा के जाना.
Yes, definitely check it out. And this is the main post office of Almora.
डाकर.
Okay, this is I love Almora. I love Almora. From here, people are come here to take pictures and upload it in their social media. And you can see this is the main road of Mall Road of Almora. And let me show you something, and you can say that it's a chaat bhandar, Dabbu chaat bhandar.
वैसे बहुत अच्छे से खा सकते हो, टेस्टी भी होते हैं और 10 के 5 मिलते हैं.
5 pieces for only 10 rupees?
Yes.
No, you are saying it wrong. And this is the Lenskart shop.
ये है दुकान, यहाँ पे बहुत मस्त कपड़े मिलते हैं, बट बहुत ही चार्जेस बहुत आए हैं, इसलिए आगे इसकी पढ़ने में करा देती फ्री में जो था अभी.
Okay, we are just about to reach Choghan Bata, right? The clock tower of Almora. So this is the clock tower of Almora, and we can say Choghan Bata.
Yes.
Choghan Bata. So we are here in Choghan Bata, Almora, and we are just searching the dry clean center, but till now we haven't find any shop, I think. So we just head over to this one shop for dry clean, but they said it takes 300. When they said they will give us on Monday. So we are just searching the other shop. Let's see. And yeah, which sweater you want to buy? Which sweater? All for 200 rupees. इधर से somewhere. Okay, we just want to go from this stairs. So for now I'm going to debit some money from the ATM, withdraw some money. After that I will meet you. So we are just entering to the market from the Mall Road, for the main road. You can see that much crowd here. Today is not that much, but on other days, in weekends, it's full of crowd, full of people. Okay, so we are here on the market. And on at Sumangalam, right? Sumangalam Hotel.
यहाँ खाना अच्छा नहीं होता है भाई।
I also don't like their food. The charges are high, but not that much interesting food, that much tasty.
ये वो देखिए।
For me,
Yes.
yes, definitely we check it out. क्या सब्जी की आप इनसे पूछेगी? क्या ड्राई क्लीन? ड्राई क्लीन?
ड्राई क्लीन नहीं तेरे लिए जी।
ये शॉप तक लगी यार. This is Anokhe Lal shop, which is the biggest shop. This is the biggest shop where you found the accessories. You can see that the kitchen appliances also.
T-shirt.
Okay, so we are going to the Malla Mahal right now. I just show you how it look like, and from here that's looking so amazing, man. Beautiful shop. They are sleeping on the road itself. Sorry. Oh yes, I had it. This one burger, no, not burger, it's tikya and other things. You just need to speed up, man.
पोपट हो गया मल्ला महल का।
Why? We are here on Malla Mahal, right? Okay, so we just reached to the Malla Mahal. Let's go inside. I think it's closed.
तो हो गया होगा मिलना।
Closed. So where we go now?
थोड़ा चौड़ाई में से कम होता है, लंबाई में थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है।
Okay.
इससे छोटी हो रही है। इससे
छोटी?
थोड़ी छोटी साइज में।
नहीं, छोटी नहीं होती।
छोटी नहीं भाई. क्या करना है?
पानी दो बाबू, पानी।
Shoes are multiple shoes here. You can found multiple shoes. Where we are now?
क्या?
On Milan Chowk, right? We are on Milan Chowk. And where we are going? Where we are going? Okay. To searching for a dry cleaning system. Okay, that was good. Now we are on Milan Chowk, right? We are on Milan Chowk right now.
मैं सोच
From here we can go.
ये
Okay, so for now we are on Milan Chowk and we are going to try thuppa.
या
Just see. I'm searching the shop. It's about 100 meter away from here. Okay, that's good. Oh, we just have to go from this road and just have to go there. Okay, we just crossed this. Oh, that was great experience. That was a great thing to know that.
चलो ठीक है, फिर जाओगे बता देना.
We have. Oh, all the shops are closed here. Why? Okay, this is the branch of Maharashtra Bank, Bank of Maharashtra. And we are going here on Swan's Lodging, no restaurant. I don't know the name. Just going out inside and show the look. चटनी और कौन सी है? एक तो वाली है चिली वाली, ये टमाटर की है, ये शायद वो है पिसी वाली मोमो वाली. This one the soup and this is the pot combined. The soup.
AI करके है यार, वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं करता दवाई का. तो वही मिलेगा.
You want to come?
जैसे तुमने
Come here. You want to eat food? Come here. On the restaurant. So we have done with the food and now we are going to where? Where we are going?
फोटो फ्रेम.
To photo frame shop where we just need to frame one photo. Just be on vlog. So we just reached the Chitli Golu temple, which are known as the god of justice, and you can see the multiple peoples are here and they are coming here from the whole India and you can say the whole world to visit the temple and take their blessings. So we are just front of the main gate. You can see that this is about 5 to 7 kilometers away from Almora. So we just reached on Pizza and from here we just want to go from this route. So guys, back from shopping and from the market. As you can see, I just stopped there, purchased these things. So we are back from the market and I think that's time to end this vlog.